Greetings. A few weeks ago there was a news article claiming that Amazon were looking into the use of cryptocurrency, which of course led people to think that Amazon was suddenly going to start accepting things like Bitcoin. Pretty quickly Amazon made a statement denying it all. The thing is, they already do. Just not officially. There are a number of companies such as CoinGate, Bidali, Giftoff and Bitrefill who allow you to purchase electronic gift cards which, depending on the retailer, can be either used online or in store. The four companies I've mentioned all accept cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin as payment, with varying degrees of commission on top, which sometimes adds a few pounds to the cost, but not much. Take the £2,000 Amazon voucher here, for example. That amount of Bitcoin at the time was valued at a touch under £2,000, although the prices update very quickly to keep up with the market, so shortly after I took the screenshot it did creep up a bit. But ultimately, this means you can spend a chunk of Bitcoin on gift cards, get the card numbers through email, and then use them online or print them out and spend them at the store. And it's not just Amazon. All these retailers have gift cards available online that can be purchased with Bitcoin. And that's just in the UK. Giftoff alone has over 500 companies on their books worldwide. Let's take John Lewis for example. I bought this dishwasher in February using two £400 vouchers bought through Giftoff. The vouchers cost me about 0.024 Bitcoin at the time, which when I bought them in November 2013 cost me 12 quid. Not a bad price for an £800 dishwasher. Do John Lewis take Bitcoin? They do now. Netflix. All paid up until December 22 using 4 gift cards bought through Bitrefill that effectively cost me £2.43. Tesco. I've not spent any money in Tesco since January this year, after spending Bitcoin worth £62 in November 2013 on £4,000 worth of gift cards between January and March this year via Bidali. I haven't needed to. So if you think there's no point gambling on cryptocurrencies just because you can't spend them anywhere, think again, because there are a lot of companies who take crypto without even realizing it. Hope someone finds this interesting, and as always remember that investment values can go down as well as up, so only spend what you can afford to lose and use a reputable crypto wallet. I use blockchain.com and not just some crap you've received an email about from professional scam artists calling themselves Frank Goldman. Thanks for watching.